उड़ू ऊंचा।
Let's see if you can hear the D sound in these words. Pudding, pudding. Older, older. Teddy, teddy. Ladder, ladder. Let's hear the words one more time. Are you ready? Pudding, older. Teddy, ladder. We know how to say the D sound. Now we will learn how to write the letter D. Trace the letter with me. Around the drum, up and down the stick. Good job! Now we will write the letter on paper with a pencil. Around the drum, up and down the stick. Now check if you did right. Superb!
Like, share and subscribe.